people, we are here and we are back. As they play the show, make I no go jam me. Almost see how busy this road is. This is where we dey call Jubilee Road. This is Jubilee Road. Kai God. If I'm giving the testimony of this road, I feel like crying. I feel like shedding tears. This particular road has been bad for the last 5 years or so. But look at fit talk again. Wetin my eyes dey see now, my mouth no fit talk am. Na him be like say I no dey talk anything for this video. See now. See how we dey enjoy. We go pop champagne. Oh, sweet road. Abba people, it is time for enjoyment. It is time for enjoyment. You people should get set to enjoy. This present government, you people should get set. It is time to enjoy. It is time for enjoyment. Abba people, get ready to enjoy. People get ready to enjoy yourself. Enjoyment. Come on now, so say enjoyment we go see for this government. If you believe, you believe. If you don't believe. All right, my people. This is where we dey call Jubilee Road. As they play, they show. As they show, we dey play. As I'm telling you, this is not an audio government. Read my lips, if you can see it. This is not an audio government. The government is working. See road now. This is Jubilee Road, the so-called Jubilee Road that they say cannot be metaquartalized. What did I say? It cannot be metaquartalized. But Alex Otti and his company has done justice to this road. As you can see, my brother, my sister, I am walking with my 2 legs on top of the third road. Feel me? Feel me? Feel me now, feel me now, feel me now. I feel like rapping, but don't worry. You can see the beauty of the road. God, tell me something. Tell me say good thing no good. Even the devil likes good things, man. Even the devil likes good things. See it from this side, bro. Come on. Omo, they say give it a try, give it a try. We have given it a try, and what we are saying right here is a thing of joy. Our people will say it's a thing of our. Oh God of mercy. 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 Oh Jesus. See road now. Let's say to the walk, maybe say they talk from out. This man they give me joy.